Hi everyone, this is Nidia Fossil and this video is about the structure and function of the epithelial tissue. Most epithelial tissue are essentially large sheets of cells covering all the surfaces of the body, exposed to the outside world and lining the outside of the organs. The skin is not the only area of the body that is exposed to the outside. Other areas include the airways, the digestive tract, as well as the urinary reproductive system, all of which are lined by epithelial. Now the whole organs and body cavities that are not connected to the exterior of the body, which include the blood vessels, lining of they're lining by the epithelium. Epithelial cells derive from all three layers. The epithelial lining, which is the skin, mouth, nose, and eyes, and the anus develop from the ectoderm. Cells lining the airways, most of the digestive systems original from the endoderm. The epithelium that line the vessels and lymphatic cardiovascular systems derives from the mesoderm and is called endothelium. Epithelium shares some important structure and function features. The tissue is slightly cellular and is no extracellular material present in between cells. In addition, epithelial tissue are nearly completely avascular. For example, no blood vessels cross the bases of the membranes in tissue. Classification of the epithelial tissue. The tissue are classified according to the shape of the cells and numbers of the cells of layers that forms. For example, squamous is flattened and thin. Cuboidal is boxy and as wide as tall. Columnar is more like rectangular and is wide. One layer is simple and more than one layer is called stratified. Connective tissue is the most abundant and widely distributed in our body and is the primary tissue. Connective tissue has three main components: cell, fibers, and ground substance. Together, the ground substance and fibers make the extracellular matrix. Connective tissue is classified and specialized connective tissue. Some of this tissue, binding and connective tissue, protects and insulates and preserve fuel, the energy and transport systems within the body. Connective tissue can have various levels of vascularity. Cartilage is a vascular, wide, and dense connective tissue, and others like bones are rich supplied with blood vessels. The muscular system is categorized by three different ones: skeletal, cardiac, and smooth. Each of these muscles have a specific instruction and role within the body. A skeleton helps the body to keep movement and helps the body to be strong and create our daily movements in life. The smooth muscle is found in our hollow organs. For example, the eyes, the urinary bladder, uterus, alimentary canal, respiratory tract, and all the vessels. Cardiac muscles is made from special cells and it helps the body. Basically, the heart wall is composed of different layers, and the myocardium, which is the middle part of the muscle, helps the heart contract and beat and distribute the blood. The nerve tissue is a group of cells with the same general function that helps to the body parts. The nerve tissue is responsible from receive, send, and processing information in our body. The nervous system is responsible and composed by the spinal, brain, and the peripheral nervous system has nerves that extends all the body. So the central nervous system is the brain and the spine, and it processes the center of the stimulus. So you can see here the brain, and it goes all the way into the spine. Our sensory organs, like the eyes, ears, tongues, are part of the nervous system. And the nervous tissue is present in both, and in the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system, containing two basic types of cells, neurons and glia cells. Glia is like a glue, and it holds the neurons in place. And the glia is the one that helps to basically to keep the body protect from pathogens, and it protects the central nervous systems from germs and pathogens to attack our body. This is the complete information in this video for the class of what is the structure and function of the epithelial tissue and the structure and function of the different type of tissue that we have in the body. Thank you for watching.